So inside of Word you will go to insert, then here you can see the option chart. When you click there you will get a couple of options. You will go to the option line, you'll click there, you'll press OK. Now here you'll get this sort of an interface. In category 1 to 4 you will put different dates like 2000 to 2020 if I'm doing it. Then in the series 1, 2 and 3 I'll put the different variables. Let's suppose food, clothing and education. I want to put expenditures, and in different years I'm comparing those trends. Now in the first year I'll put the data, and then what happens, gradually this data will be inculcated in my graph, and my graph will be completed in this way. Now I'll edit the name of the graph that I have expenditure versus a year, I can call it. Yeah, so axis title should be there. It is percentage, definitely it would be the percentage, and on x-axis it would be year, so year versus percentage. Then legend would be on, and I can do different sort of stuff. So this is how you can make a graph, and after you prepare it you will simply delete this box. That's done. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more short videos like this.